Yo, hello and welcome. In today's video we are going to see how to create songs like this one.
Then I found a place, kinda different vibe. People actually build, not just hype.
Welcome to the AI Creators Hub, where we don't just scroll, we actually build stuff. No
Completely for free and uncensored. So you can forget about Suno, you can now start using this workflow inside ComfyUI to generate any song that you like, from instrumental to song with lyrics to everything you can basically imagine. So without further ado, let's start and create our new song with this workflow. So as usual, we are inside ComfyUI, we take our workflow, we drag and drop it, and here we have the whole workflow. Now, as usual, we run it and we are going to see some errors because of course we don't have this checkpoint, so we don't have the model to work with. So we run, and of course here we have the error. Now what you want to do is to download this checkpoint. So I leave you the link inside my free community. So if you are not inside the community yet, what are you waiting for? Just join the free community. You can find the link in the description of the video or scan the QR code directly here in the video. And inside the free community as well, I will leave you this whole workflow. And so now let's download this checkpoint. We go inside the page, we copy the download link, and here it can get a little bit tricky. If you are working on your own machine, you just go into your ComfyUI, into models, and you paste it into the checkpoint folder. But if you are on Jupyter Lab like me right now, if you double click on checkpoint, the folder won't open. So what you have to do is to open up a new terminal here. And as you can see, we are inside models. We go cd checkpoints and make sure to spell checkpoints correctly, not like I did here. Okay, we press enter, and right now, as we can see, we are inside the checkpoint folder. Now we go with wget and we paste the link and we press enter. This way we are downloading the checkpoint, and as you can see here is 10 gigabytes, so it will take a little while. Perfect. Now that the checkpoint is downloaded, we can go back and we can run the workflow and see if everything works fine. Once we make sure that everything works fine, we go in details about the whole workflow. So I enter a prompt for a dark phone trap aggressive underground song, and here we run it. Also, one really good thing about this workflow is that once you've downloaded the model, so Ace Step 1.5, everything else will work with the regular ComfyUI nodes. So you don't need to install any other custom nodes, you just need to install the checkpoint and everything will be directly inside ComfyUI. And this is powerful because of course you don't have to download custom nodes, you don't have to update it, and so on. Everything is already inside your ComfyUI once you've downloaded the checkpoint here. And here we have our song, so let's take a listen. Perfect, and that was the song. So workflow worked fine. Now let's see some details. So first of all, here we have under the checkpoint, here we have the duration of the song. So here you can control how much the song will last. So this is in seconds, so 60 seconds. If we want to have 30 seconds, we can go 30. Or if we want to have a longer song, let's say a song 2 minutes long, we can go 120. If you want 3 minutes, 180, and so on. So let's, for time's sake, let's say that the next song that will generate is 30 seconds. Pretty much the rest you leave the same. Here you go with one song at a time. If you want, you can go with 2 or 3 songs if you modify the value here in the latent in the batch size here. This is the seed, so we want to randomize the seed. And here we have the case sampler. I will suggest you to leave the steps and the CFG to 1 and also the noise to 1. Here we have our save audio and we will save our song. If you are using ComfyUI from your own PC, you can find your saved audio into your ComfyUI folder. So if you are in Jupyter Lab like me, the process is pretty much the same. You go into your ComfyUI folder, you go into output, and you go into, in this case, audio. And if you see, this is our song. We can right click and download. If you are on your own PC, you have already downloaded basically. So if we download it, we download our track. So if I do download, as we can see here, we have an MP3 file with our song. Now let's test another genre of music. This time we will go for a cinematic one, so that if you have to create a specific cinematic song, let's say for your Instagram reel or for a video that you are working on, you can create the song right here. Of course, another thing to notice here is that we have 2 text space, so 2 prompt space. In here you want to just have some tags for your song. So as you can see here, cinematic, epic, hybrid, orchestral, and so on, 120 BPM, key of D minor, deep sub bass, cinematic booms, punchy drums, hybrid percussions, and so on. Here you want to consider this like a tag prompt space. So you just put the tag that you want your songs to be. So in the second text box, you want to describe your own song. So like in this case is intro, soft piano plus ambient paths, emotional tone, build, drop, break, rebuild, and so on. I will leave the template in the description. This is for an instrumental song that we are creating. Another thing that we can notice here is the BPM is here. We can control it. So in this case, let's go with 120 like I said in the prompt. Key of D minor. So here we can select the key. So I will go with D minor as it is here. Perfect. And here the CFG we keep the same and the other one we keep the same. And as I was saying, this is for your instrumental song. Later on we will see with some lyrics too. So now we have modified the things like we wanted, and now we can just click run and see what the workflow creates. Also, as you can see, this is very fast. I mean, it's just a matter of seconds and we have a song. So now let's take a listen, and I will up my volume a little bit. Perfect. And as you can see, another thing I forgot to mention is that the quality is 320K. That is high quality for a song. So when you listen to songs or download your songs, if you go with 320K, is very high quality. So this was our song with these parameters. Now let's try with some lyrics. Let's say that this time we want 2 minutes, so 120 seconds. Here I have my lyrics. Here I will adjust it to 115 BPMs. Okay, and the C major as a key. So C major, okay, perfect. The language is English. Also, you can choose a lot of different languages. As you can see, we have English, Japanese, Espanol, we have Italian here, and so on. And we leave everything else the same. And so we run it. Perfect. Now let's take a listen.
Okay, one more A tool. I swear this is the last one. Scrolling all day, testing every trend. Same 3 videos, posted again. Tried every prompt they said would blow. Still stuck watching others grow. Then I found a place, kinda different vibe. People actually build, not just hype.
Welcome to the AI Creators Hub, where we don't just grow, we actually build stuff. No gurus, no fake get rich club, just people turning ideas into gold. Yep.
Someone made a model, someone made a brand. Someone turned a meme into a money plan. I asked a question, got 10 replies. Not by my course, actual advice. Feels like cheating, but it's not. Just the right people in one spot.
Welcome to the AI Creators Hub, where we don't just grow, we actually build stuff. Low-key, crazy what people have done. Kinda makes you think, why not me, huh? No pressure, no bitch, no weird flex zone. Just creators building, not alone. Welcome to the AI Creators Hub. You can stay broke or come build with us. Up to you. I should have joined early.
And so this is the song, very catchy, I should say, and also speaks the truth. So, jokes aside, this is a great song, and the model interpreted so well the lyrics, of course, but also the whole mood that I want to give the song. Now, let's try with another example and see what turns out. Okay, now I have 180 as value, so 3-minute song. Here my first prompt with the tag. Here is the lyrics, and I change the BPM and the key scale here. Now I click run. Perfect. Now let's take a listen.
They told me wait. Another paywall, another chain, another secret they try to gain. Same old system, different skin. If you don't pay, you never win. They sell the dream, but keep control. Download freedom, not for your vote. But I found code, buried deep. Open source, now it's mine to keep. No permission. No more turn ideas into something great. No middleman, no locked doors, just raw tools and open source. They said you can't, I press run. Now I got 10 bills, not just one. While they talk, we deploy, turning scripts into real world noise. No permission. We don't need your system, we don't play your game. Open code, open vision, now we break the chain. No more waiting, no more guide. No more waiting, no more guide. They tried to lock it, they tried to hide it. We don't need your system, we don't play your game. Open code, open vision, we don't stay the same. No keepers left.
Awesome. So as you can see, 3-minute songs with these lyrics and this style. Now let's try another one, and then you can experiment with it and create all the music that you want. But now let's try something a little bit different. Okay, now let's see how it goes with this very difficult prompt. This is a country song but with a K-pop chorus. So this will be funny to see and to hear. So let's take a listen to this one. And also I have some Korean here, as you can see. So let's see if it can go double language.
I was just a small town cowboy.
Till my Wi-Fi started working right. Got a pickup truck and a broken plan. Dust almost dirt on my hands. Try my luck, but luck said no. Till I met something I didn't know. Laptop glowing in the night, just tell me what to do. Ice machine just when it's right. Now my grandma's famous online. My dog's got merch and he's doing fine. Made a song about 2 minutes flat. Yeah, didn't know like a flip like that. Neighbors ask what's going on. I just smile and say log on. Yeah.
No more waiting, no more maybe. This machine just went and saved me. Hey.
AI, from a dirt road to the neon sky.
Reaching out, shine so bright. Don't slow down, spin it round. New life,
From a small town to a worldwide ride.
ride the dream, let it flow now. Me and you
Run this town. Mama building ways I never got no out. But I wouldn't change a thing. AI, yeah we made it, didn't even try. Reaching now, we light it up now. From the fields to a sold out crowd.
Hey,
New life, yeah we turned it all around tonight.
boomer time, we don't come down. Small town kid, world renowned.
awesome. So as you can see, it can do even crazy stuff like this one, something not completely 100% right with the lyrics, but as you can see, or as you can hear, the songs turn out pretty good. So if you are creating some instrumental song, if you want to create some song with lyrics, so full song, and also you want to go 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes songs, you can do it completely for free and open source with Ace Step V1.5. So again, feel free to experiment. There is a lot that you can do. You can go with the number of BPMs, you can change the key scale, you can change the lyrics. And so with this workflow, you can create every song that you want, completely uncensored, because of course this is an open source tool. And you can create instrumental for maybe your videos, your reels on Instagram or on TikTok, or some bigger project that you have. You can also create the song for your own character. So let's say that if you have a character that is a singer, you can create the song for them. And of course, this maybe not yet at the same level at Suno, for example, but it doesn't have all the restriction that Suno has. And of course, you can use it for free and unlimited. So you can create basically everything you want without any restriction that Suno will have. And also, again, it's free. So if you just need maybe, like I said, a background song for a video or a specific song that you want to create, you don't have to spend your credits, but you can use this workflow to create it for free. And also you don't have copyright problems. So again, use it in any way you want. And so try it, experiment with it, and let me know how it goes. Now, as I said before, I will leave everything, the workflow, the link to the download the checkpoint, and some template that you just can copy and paste for the tags here and for the lyrics here inside my free community. So if you want to join my free community, the link is in the description of the video, in the description of the channel, or you can just scan the QR code that is on the screen right now. As always, if you like and subscribe, it will help the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye, and I wish you a great day.